Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. See, this is 11th Standard State Board, Chapter 3, Trigonometry. Welcome to all of your new academic year. See, now we are going to see about the trigonometry. What is trigonometry? You already know the values of the trigonometry, that is the basic values of the trigonometry. Sin theta, cos theta, from that you develop tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, etc. You know the values of the trigonometry, it lies in the first quadrant. For example, sin 0, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 90 degree. You studied up to sin 90 degree in the 10th standard level. Now we are going to see about the next level. Suppose it lies in the second quadrant. What is the value of sin 180 degree, sin 270 degree, sin 360 degree, like this. See here, see x, y, c. This is first quadrant. You know very well, this is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. See, it rotates in a anti-clockwise direction, not a clockwise direction. Rotates in a anti-clock. This values lies between 0 to 90 minus. 0 to 90 degree. In between 90 degrees. 0 to 90 minus. Then that second quadrant is 90 plus to 180 minus. The second quadrant between 90 to 180. The third quadrant is 180 plus to 270 minus. 180 plus to 270 minus. The fourth quadrant is 270 plus to 360 minus. So, one complete rotation is 360 degree. One complete rotation is 360 degree. So, the first quadrant is 0 to 90 minus. Second quadrant is 90 to 180 minus. Third quadrant is 180 to 270 minus. Fourth quadrant is 270 to 360 minus. See, in the first quadrant, all the values are positive. In the first quadrant, all the values are positive. In the second quadrant, sin theta, what is the reciprocal of this? What is the inverse of the sin theta? Cosecant theta. Sin theta and cosecant theta is positive. In the second quadrant, sin theta and cosecant theta is positive. Third quadrant, tan theta. And what is the inverse of that? Cot theta. Tan theta and cot theta is positive. In the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta is positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos theta, inverse of cos theta is what? Secant theta is positive. For your remembrance, see here, you will write all silver tea cups. All silver tea cups. First quadrant, all. Second quadrant, silver, yes. That is sin theta, that is inverse of sin theta is cosecant theta. T, tan theta. Inverse of tan theta is what? Cot theta. Cups. Or otherwise you will know Annai Satya Transport Corporation. Annai Satya Transport Corporation. Whatever you want, you can take it in your convenience. Okay. So, first all silver teacups are Annai Satya Transport Corporation. See here, suppose if I am taking like this, I am writing sin 180 degree. I want to know the value of sin 180 degree. How I can split it? I will split sin of 90 plus 90. Before I explain this one, I will write once again. See here, 90 and 270 degree. If 90 and 270 degree, sin theta will change into cos theta. If it is come like this, 90 plus theta, okay, Sin theta will change into cos theta. Cos theta, reciprocal process. Cos theta will change into sin theta. The same way, tan theta change into cot theta. Cot theta change into tan theta. Secant theta change into cosecant theta. Cosecant theta change into secant theta. So, sin theta to cos, cos to sin. Tan theta to cot, cot to tan. Secant to cosecant, cosecant to tan, secant. But 180 and 360, 180 and 360, the value remains same. That is, sin theta means as it is sin theta. Cos theta means as it is cos theta. Tan theta means as it is, the value should be the same. But it is 90 and 270. The values will be changing. Sin theta means cos theta. Cos theta means sin theta. Tan theta means cot theta. Suppose I am taking like this. I am giving an example. See here. Sin of 90 plus theta. Suppose I am giving an example. Sin of 90 plus theta. What is the value of sin of 90 plus theta? First you will check in which quadrant it lies. 90 plus, it lies in the second quadrant. It lies in the second quadrant, which is positive. Sin theta and cosecant theta is positive. So you can put plus first of all. I told you 90 means sin will change into cos, cos will change into sin. So you will write plus cos theta. Is it clear for you? See, suppose I will write cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. 180 minus theta, second quadrant. Second quadrant, which is positive? Sin and cosecant. But what is given here? You check this alone. You don't, if you are not changing you don't check the changing value. Okay. You check the whatever value is given, that value alone you will check. See, cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta. First you check the quadrant. 180 minus theta, which quadrant? It lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, which is positive? Sin theta is positive. But what is given here in the question? Cos theta is given. First you put minus. Okay, minus 180. I told you 180 and 360, there is no change. There is no change in the value. So as it is, you will write what? Cos theta. Is it clear for you? I will give one more example. Tan of 360 minus theta. Tan of 360 minus theta. Which quadrant? 360 minus theta. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, which is positive? Cos and secant is positive, but tan is negative. So you put minus first. You put minus first. Minus, because 360 there is no change in value, minus tan theta. Suppose I will give it as C here. Secant 90 plus theta or 270 plus theta. Secant 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, secant is positive. First you will check the secant. You don't check the changing value. Okay. You check the secant. Secant is positive in 270 plus theta. So you will write first plus. Okay. Secant 270. 270 and 90 means I told you the values are changed. So cosecant theta. Is it clear for you? Is it clear? Now you move on to the exercise 3.1. See, exercise 3.1. We will check the quadrant in which an angle of each given measure lies. See, the negative values are also there. First we will see the positive values. Okay. See, 25 degree. X axis, Y axis. I told you 0 to 90, 90 plus to 180 minus 180 plus 2, 270 minus, 270 plus 2, 360 minus. So 0 to 25 degree, it's nothing but here. So it lies in the first quadrant. It lies in the first quadrant. It lies in the first quadrant. See 825. X-axis, Y-axis. First you will check how many 360s are there. See 360 plus 360 is 720. So 2 into 360, 720 minus 825. 825, 720. What is the remaining value? Remaining value is 105. Remaining value is 105. 2 complete rotation. 2 into 360 is nothing but what? 2 complete rotation over. Okay. One full rotation, then another full rotation over. What is the remaining term left out? 105. 105, you will see that 105 alone. Okay. You leave that 360 full complete rotation. What is the remaining term left out? 105. 105 lies in second quadrant because 0 to 90 minus 90 plus to 180 minus. So that 105 lies in the second quadrant. So it lies in second quadrant. It lies in second quadrant. I will tell you afterwards. First you will see the positive values. 328 degree. X-axis, Y-axis, 328 degree. It is not 360, it is 328 degree. First quadrant 0 to 90 minus, 90 plus 2, 180 minus, 180 plus 2, 270 minus, 270 plus 2, 360 minus, 270 plus the value is 328. It lies between 270 to 360. So it lies in the fourth quadrant. It lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. Now you will see here 55 degree minus 55 degree. See, if it is a positive means it moves on the anti-clockwise direction. If it is negative means it moves on the clockwise direction. See here, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Normally this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant for all the positive values. If it is negative means it is first quadrant. The fourth quadrant change into first quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Is it clear for you? See, if it is positive means this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, anti-clockwise direction. If it is negative means first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, clockwise direction. So minus 50 degree. Minus 50 degree. See, 0 to 90 minus, 90 plus 2, 180 minus, 180 plus 2, 270 minus, 270 plus 2, 360 minus. So minus 50 degree, it lies in the which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. But you don't tell it is a first quadrant. If it is negative means that fourth quadrant is act as a first quadrant. Okay. If it is negative means the fourth quadrant act as a first quadrant. So theta lies in fourth quadrant. Normally it is a fourth quadrant, but negative means it will comes like this. So you know very well, first, second, third, fourth, but minus 55 degree theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Now you move on to minus 230 degree. See here, x-axis, y-axis. See, normally first, second, third, fourth. It is a normal. If it is negative means I told you, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is third one, and this is fourth one. So this is 0 to 90. This is 90 plus 2, 180 minus. This is 180 plus 2, 270 minus 180 plus 2, 270 minus 230 degree. So minus 230 degree, it lies in the which quadrant? Second quadrant. Is it clear for you? See, normally the quadrant is first, second, third, fourth. But negative, it is given like this. You will write according to your convenience. This is first. The fourth quadrant is act as your first quadrant. This is second, and this is third, and this is fourth. First, you will check minus 230 degree in which quadrant it lies. See, 0 to 90, 90 plus 2, 180 minus, 180 plus 2, 270 minus. So, here what is the value? 230. But if you will write the quadrant, you will write the respective quadrant alone. You don't write third. Okay. As it is, that quadrant only you will write. Okay. For negative, you will change the clockwise direction. That's all. So, which quadrant it lies? It lies in the second quadrant. So, it lies in second quadrant. See, 395 degree. How many 360s are there? 1 360. So, 1 into 360 degree, 395. 395 minus 360, what is the remaining thing here? 35 degree. So, plus you will write 35 degree. 1 into 360 plus 35 degree. So, coterminal angle for angle for 395 degree is 395 degree is coterminal angle for 395 degree is 35 degree. 35 degree. Next 525 degree. How many 360s are there? 1. 1 into 360. 525 minus 360. What is the value? Plus 165. You will subtract and get the value 165. 525, 5, 6, 165. So, you will write coterminal angle for 525 degree is, you left out this, you can write that 165 alone is 165 degree. 165 degree. C 1150. How many 360s are there? C 360, 720, 1080. See here. So 3 into 360. 3 into 360, 1080 minus, you get the answer what? Plus 70 degree. Plus 70 degree. You leave that values, remaining values alone you will take it out, because it is one complete rotation. That's all. It become starting stage. It comes to the starting stage, that is a 0 degree. Okay. So, coterminal angle of 1150 is 70 degree. Next, minus 270 degree. See here, 360 minus 270. You subtract from 360 minus 270. What is the value you are getting? 90 degree. 90 degree. So, coterminal angle of minus 270 is coterminal angle of coterminal angle of minus 270 degree is 90 degree. Now minus 450 degree. It gives how many 360 are there? 1. So you will write 1 into 360 plus 90. 1 into 360 plus 90. So it gives, what is the value? Minus 90. It gives minus 90. So you will reduce 360. From 360 you can subtract the value. From 360 you can subtract the value. First you will check that one complete rotation. What is the remaining term left out? 90. That is minus 90. Because it is a negative side, again you will subtract from 360. 360 minus 90, what is the value? 270 degree. So coterminal of, coterminal because it is in a clockwise direction. Coterminal angle of minus 450 degree is 270. Minus 450 degree is 270. See the third sum. If A cos theta minus B sin theta equal to C, show that A sin theta plus B cos theta equal to plus or minus root of A square plus B square minus C square. You can take A cos theta minus B sin theta equal to C. Squaring on both the side. See here, A cos theta minus B sin theta the whole square equal to C square. Whole square equal to C square. A minus B the whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2AB cos theta sin theta minus 2AB cos theta sin theta equal to C square. See here, A square into cos square theta, I will write it as 1 minus sin square theta using identity you studied in 10th standard. See here, 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta I replaced by 1 minus sin square theta plus B square into 1 minus cos square theta minus 2AB cos theta sin theta equal to C square. Cos theta sin theta equal to C square. Okay. See, you multiply A square, you multiply the value A square minus A square sin square theta minus A square sin square theta plus B square minus B square cos square theta minus 2AB cos theta sin theta equal to C square. Okay, see here, what is the answer? Plus or minus root of A square plus B square minus C square. So I bring A square B square to the next side. What is the answer? Minus A square sin square theta minus B square cos square theta minus 2AB cos theta sin theta equal to C square minus A square minus B square. C square minus A square minus B square. See that A square to the left hand side, sorry, right hand side is nothing but what? Minus A square. That B square also move on to the next side, it gives what? Minus B square. Now you change the sign. You change the sign throughout. So what is the value for that? You change the sign. A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta sin theta equal to, you change the sign. What is the sign here? A square plus b square minus c square. See, plus become minus, minus become plus. Okay. See, a square sin square theta, b square cos square theta, 2ab cos theta sin theta. It resembles the formula a plus b the whole square. See here, a sin theta plus b cos theta the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus c square. Check the formula. A plus b the whole square. A square sin square theta, b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. 2ab cos theta sin theta. If it is a multiplication, cos theta sin theta cos theta, both are same. Okay, it's equal to a square plus b square minus c square. Taking square root on both the sides, what is the value you are getting? See, a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to plus or minus. Taking square root, plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus c square. Hence the proof.